Finally, this evening, the South African rand strengthened to around 18.1 per USD, supported by a weaker dollar as markets awaited clarity on US trade tariffs. The South African Reserve Bank held interest rates steady on March 20, citing inflation concerns and economic uncertainty tied to global trade and local budget issues, despite February's stable CPI of 3.2%. Furthermore, the rand has risen about 4% against the dollar this year, though volatility persists. Meanwhile, the top 40 index saw a slight gain of 0.2%. Market analyst Mabinini Piri provides further market insights.
So once again, the South African rand has strengthened slightly, trading at around 18.17 against the dollar this morning, up about 0.3% from the previous close. This continues a positive trend, with the rand gaining over 3% against the dollar since the beginning of the year. Locally, the South African Reserve Bank decided to keep interest rates at 7.5%, even though inflation remained steady at 3.2 in February, well within the target range. The central bank is staying cautious, especially with slow economic focus of 0.6% for 2024 and 1.7% for 2025. On the global front, markets are on edge. Investors await the US trade tariffs announcement on the 2nd of April, which could shake things up. Adding to the uncertainty, tensions between South Africa and the US have worsened, with the US Secretary of State declaring the South African ambassador undesirable. Overall, the rand is holding steady despite a mix of local and global challenges. So again, I guess at this stage, investors will be keeping a close eye on how trade policies and economic decisions unfold in the next coming weeks.